Greetings to all. My name is Aniket Adau. Currently, I am pursuing third year in Bachelor's in Catering Technology and Culinary Arts from Culinary Academy of India, Hyderabad. My theme is I am working on Antarctica theme. I am making penguins and igloo. My medium is pastillage. So pastillage is a medium which is made with corn flour, icing sugar, gelatin, and this is how it looks. I will show you the recipe in future video. I am going to show you the recipe of pastillage. I will show you what I have made till now. This is igloo. This is completely made with pastillage, and the bricks on top of it you can see that is also made with pastillage, and the penguin, this is also made with pastillage. Pastillage is a very pliable dough. You can get any shape with the help of pastillage. This is the front side of igloo. You can actually stick it with the help of pastillage only, and it will take around a day of time to dry it completely. Now I am making the pastillage dough, which is made with icing sugar, corn flour, and the dough is completely kneaded with the help of gelatin. There is no extra water which is added to the dough. Try not to add all the quantity of gelatin at one time. First, when you feel pastillage, it's a very sticky dough, but when you refrigerate it, it's very pliable. Slowly again you can add the remaining quantity of the gelatin, which is bloom already, and the lemon juice here, which acts as this gives a white bright color to the pastillage dough. It will take time to combine all the flour. Slowly keep kneading. If you feel that the moisture is very less, at any time you can add egg white instead of water. But there is no plain water which is used in this recipe. Either you can use egg white or gelatin, which is bloom. It's kind of a messy job. Because of the addition of gelatin, the icing sugar and corn flour sticks to your hand. So you have to keep one dough scraper or spatula, something near to use to help yourself. And slowly this will start combining. As you can see, it has already come together. It will take few more minutes of kneading. So this is how it looks. I have combined all the ingredients with the help of gelatin and lemon juice. So this is the correct consistency of pastillage. If you break it, it's very crumbly, you can crumb it. But once you made it, you have to refrigerate it for around 15 to 20 minutes in the refrigerator, and then it's ready to play. For my dessert, I am making strawberry spears. So I am using strawberry crush here, which is blended with icing sugar and yogurt, equal quantity of yogurt and strawberry crush, which is blended with icing sugar. Here I am taking algin bath, 12 grams of algin with 1 liter of water and chilled water. So take a measuring spoon or something which will give spherical effect. And drop it slowly to the algin bath. With the help of the perforated spoon, swirl the bath so that it will give spherical effect. and try to lift this and direct it to chill water. So this is my bread. I have named it as icicle. I have tried to show the basic life of Antarctica, and I have created two penguins with the help of pastiche medium and an igloo. And I actually wanted to show how the Arctic pole is. It's completely frozen, so all the icing on the top of the igloo and top of the penguin, it shows the frozen part of it. Coming to my dessert part, I have created here, my dessert is consist of three components. First is cheesecake. I have used here mascarpone cheese, and under that I have rice flakes, crisp rice flakes, which is dipped in chocolate. And here I have created strawberry spears with the help of algin bath, and on the sides I have fruit. And one more important thing is I have made here one pista sponge. Thank you.